Molweni nonke makhaya, igama lam ndinguNomtha and you are watching Money Conversations with Nomtha. If you are new here, welcome to the channel where we normalize conversations about money. So, namhlanje, I want us to talk about using an Excel spreadsheet to budget. But not only to budget, but to track our budget. Remember, budgeting is only a part of the story. The second part is that we actually have to track our budget. We talked about the importance of tracking our budgets on the video that was posted last week. If you didn't see that one, please go ahead and have a watch. Without wasting any time, let Masambin. Alright, so that's our Excel spreadsheet right there. And as you can see, everything is divided into sections, right? And we have used different colors to differentiate between the sections. So with the first section being income, and you find two columns there, which is the expected and the received income. The reason is that you may have a paycheck, but you may also have a side hustle, for instance, or you may be doing something like Airbnb or mhlambe uthengise some Avon products or whatever the case is. So you will just go ahead and list the other income streams that are relevant for you, né? And go ahead and also write the figures for those as well. So yeah, as you know, with the side hustles, sometimes the money is really not fixed. You may get more in other months, and in other months you may get less than you had expected. So that's the reason for the two columns. With the debt section, I intentionally highlighted that one in red. I really wanted to send across a message to you to say this is the one you want to get rid of as soon as possible. You know, if you have any consumer debt, you really want to get rid of it as soon as you can, you know, so that you can actually free up some money to save and invest. And then you have the expenses, you have planned and you have actual. So with the groceries, for instance, you may find sometimes that you have planned more, and then you actually go and you spend less, or the other way around. So if it's this way that you have 200 Rand difference here, whereby you have planned to use 2,700, but then you actually end up using 2,500, leaving you with 200 extra, right? So I would definitely take that and pay off my debt. So if I am still having debt, I would take that 200 Rand difference and pay off my debt. If I don't have debt, I would take that and add it to my savings. So instead of going and just using it on other things, that's what I would do, because you should already be having a budget for things like fun money, entertainment, and all those kind of things, right? Exactly. So, but otherwise, yeah, so that is it. You basically just make the spreadsheet relevant for you and go and enter the amounts that are relevant and unique to you, right? So you will just go ahead and put in the amount that you want to put. Let's say for this one, for gym, for instance, if it's not 500 for you, is another amount. Go and enter that in there and just click enter, and it will give you a different it will basically update the totals for you so that you don't have to do anything extra after that. But yeah, you have sections all the way to lifestyle, personal also included in there, and insurance. Yeah, so if you would like to have a copy of the spreadsheet, let me know and I will be happy to share it with you. Whatever king, like I'm also interested to know to make sure that your budget actually does work, you know, that you are able to live according to your budget, that you are able to follow it through. Let us keep the conversation going on the comment section down below. But until next time, y'all stay financially savvy, and I will see you on the next one.